Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can bright your torchlight in any Android. So just go simple drop down, you'll find the torchlight right there on the drop down menu. Look at this is the flashlight. So that's how it work. So let's see how we can make brighter. So when you just go here, click on the flashlight, you'll see these are the options. So the level 1 and 0, you'll see this is the dim now. When you make little higher, it's a little more higher, and look at this. See this, you can see it's getting brighter and longer by swiping, just changing the level up and down. So in this method you can bright your torchlight, you can make more brighter, and just simple turn off, and you can make the shortcut on your lock screen menu right there too, if you have the daily use of the torch. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video.